Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, aka heart makeup. I don't really know what to call it. Today is Valentine's Day, probably one of my favorite holidays ever. There's so much pink, there's so much hearts, and so much candy. Check out my earrings, guys. They're like hearts with bows. But anyways, super excited to do this makeup look because it's really fun and it's really interesting, and I get to use face paint, which I haven't used in a minute. Let's go ahead and go straight into this makeup look. So first up for this makeup look, I'm just going to go ahead and use this white pencil to just map out my face. I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm just gonna make a heart shape on my face. Okay, this honestly kind of looks like a butt. I think I'm gonna go ahead and redo this because it doesn't really look that good. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is probably my 4th or 5th attempt drawing this stupid freaking heart. It was looking pretty bad, but I fixed it. Now I'm gonna break out the Athena painting palette, y'all. I'm just going to fill in this heart. The pink I'm usually using on this palette, I'm actually mixing in a little bit of white to it to make it a little bit lighter because it's kind of too dark. I have a feeling this is gonna take me a really long time, but we're gonna get through it because it's Valentine's Day, y'all. I'm feeling the love right now. Once I'm actually done with filling in the heart, I think I will clean up the edges because I am kind of like spilling out of the line. Okay, my hands are like totally covered in pink. I'm trying to figure out what I look like. I know that cat, its face is dunked in like that's what I look like right now. I'm gonna clean up these lines. I literally look like Pepto-Bismol. I look like Benadryl. I look like a lot of things. It looks like this is my real face and I'm wearing like a suit over it, like a skin suit. That's so nasty. Okay, so one thing I want to do is I want to add some depth, so I'm actually going to use a little bit of pink eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be doing nose contour on my nose. Color I'm using is this right here. Just gonna do like button nose contour. Now I'm actually gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow work like on here. Okay, this looks pretty good right now. I'm honestly gonna do the eyebrows. The eyebrows, they're very like drooping low. They look very sad. I'm just going to use this. It's just eyeliner. I'm just gonna use it for my eyebrows. Now I actually do want to do a little bit of actual eyeshadow on my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to just like do my waterline with white. Now I am going to draw like little eyelashes on the bottom. And now I want to work on the lips. Have you ever seen like heart lips? Like the lips are like a heart kinda. I want to do that with my actual lips. I'm just gonna make sure that my lips are completely pink, like I just drank a whole bottle of Pepto-Bismol. Like kind of like half a lip. Oh, wait a minute. That's kind of tea. Hold on. I made the Cupid's bow really exaggerated. I kind of let that one Monster High doll. I look like Cupid from Monster High, like with the lips. Yo, I cannot believe myself right now. Like, kind of feel like an icon right now or something. Like, okay, let's do the lashes. And if it feels like I'm taking a lot of cuts in this video, it's just because I'm pausing to like make sure that my face doesn't crease because this makeup doesn't really dry down. But here are the lashes. When I'm talking, I feel like I'm like from like the 1920s or something with like their iconic like red lip. Okay guys, here is how it looks like with the lashes. And all the reference pictures I found, they all have gems like around the heart, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I have so many sheets of gems. Let's put them all around here. Yay. There's a lot more to go. See you guys when I'm done.
2,000 years later.
I put all the gems on. I spaced them out apart so it wouldn't take freaking forever. It looks really freaking good. This is how the the makeup turned out. I am super happy with it, and I think it is amazing and perfect for Valentine's Day. Let me know how I did in the comments below, and happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I'm so happy to be doing this video today for you guys. Love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, everyone.